All right, guys, this recipe is pretty straightforward. So we are just going to go ahead and get to mixing. I have my butter in my mixing bowl here, and I'm going to add my sugar, brown sugar, and my baker's sugar, and go ahead and mix this in really well. All right, I'm going to scrape this bowl so that I can go ahead and get my eggs in here the way that they should be. Alrighty, nice and fluffy. Scraping one more time. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our flour and our white chocolate chips. All right, mix for about a minute there, and now I'm going to scrape one final time. Make sure everything is in there the way that it should be. And now I'm going to add, last but not least, the white chocolate chips.